Welcome back to the ISNaD Review tutorial series. Module 13 opens the CERQual Confidence page. Two levels of appraisal are often confused in qualitative reviews: the quality of each study and the confidence we may place in each review finding. This module separates them and then puts the distinction to work. Let us begin. Reopen the review project whose synthesis has already been run. Still in the For Synthesize group, click the CERQual Confidence menu. Start by reading the short note underneath the page title. The JBI appraisal in the previous module judged the quality of each study one by one. CERQual judges something else: how much confidence each review finding actually deserves. So, a finding supported by high-quality studies can still end up with low confidence. The list of findings need not be retyped. Press Import from AI Synthesis. The system distills the themes and narrative from Module 12 into separate finding statements. The imported findings arrive unrated, and rating them is precisely the reviewer's job. You can also write a finding yourself using the Add Finding button. Write the finding as a declarative sentence, not as a topic or keyword. A clear statement lets the reader judge whether your evidence really supports it. Below it sit 4 assessment components, each rated by the level of concern it raises. Methodological limitations draws on the JBI appraisals you carried out yourself. Every rating needs a written reason because the final table will be read by other assessors. Coherence asks how tightly the finding is grounded in the underlying data. Contradictions between studies that cannot be explained will pull this component down. Adequacy of data weighs the richness and the quantity of data supporting the finding. 3 thin quotations from 2 papers plainly differ from rich data across 10 studies. Relevance weighs how closely the contributing studies match your review question's context. Only then do you set the overall confidence in the finding. The principle, confidence starts high, then is downgraded by concerns across those 4 components. 4 levels are available, from high confidence down to very low confidence. The explanation box below is where you justify each step of that downgrade. At the bottom, tick exactly which studies actually contribute to this finding. Left empty, the finding is assessed against all included studies. Once it is complete, press Save Finding. The finding card now shows a summary of the 4 components and the overall confidence. Finally, press Export SoQF CSV to download the Summary of Qualitative Findings table. That table is the appendix journals normally expect for a qualitative evidence synthesis. Each of your review findings now carries a reasoned, defensible level of confidence. In the next module, we move to the Collaborate group to read inter-rater reliability and the project's audit trail. See you there.